gallery में जो बकता है is Makak Mayum Saroj Khan, is a Manipuri poet with two notable poetry books, Emadi Nagaksham, Yuar and Hingna Siraba Punasi. Shri Khan has received several awards, including the Abraham Ibn Gohil and Vinod Kumari Literary Award and the Leden Lakapam Dharamveer Singh Literary Award. His work showcases his literary talent and significant contribution to Manipuri literature. Most welcome, Samrat.
Eyamba Punnamakpu is the Manipuri face which I regard and respect to all gathering here. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. First of all, I will recite a Manipuri poem. After all, I will recite all the poem in the English language. The poem title is Sikigi Ahum. Ibok na wari libirami Sikigi Ahum taubagi hangama pun yonbagi. Ima na wari libirami Sikigi Ahum taubagi haimang suhi tuat pido. Ay na nga si thengnari Sikigi Ahum taubagi miyoi bagi punsi yon. This is the Dole story, 3 for Enana, 3 bundles of mustard leaves. My mother used to tell a story, 3 for Enana, 3 sweetened sumac berries. I am living the story today, 3 for Enana, how human souls are sold. Human souls are sold. Human souls are sold. My next poem, The Fall of the Ignorant. The sound of Ajan from the masjid, the soft chanting of the morning arti from the temple, the sighing of the bells from the distant church. These sounds entrance my soul with a sense of tranquil joy. It fills my heart. No religion teaches us to be evil. It is the evil himself that is evil. It is not the religion that is deprived. It is the immoral himself that is immoral. Why? Why do we bring in a religion? The thief. The thief is the one who is stole. Why? Why do we pull down and tear apart the community? Every religion is wrapped in its own pristine beauty and profound love. It is the ugliness in me that drags down my religion. Ignorant people with a little knowledge of the religion bring the religion into every predicament they face. If we dawn upon the profound beauty of our religions and bring ourselves together for a lasting harmony, it will be in pieces that will find our beloved motherland. Like a half-lit mind, boost of greater wisdom. Those with a flicker of knowledge of religion, boost of the righteousness of their religion only. That is the fall of the ignorant, the god of the race, seed of all the unrest, threshold of sinister, gathering storm of all differences, gathering storm of all differences. My last poem, addressing none but themselves. The lover, unaware of the lover's ways, adding the insult to injury, adding the icing on the cake, man acting beastly upon the man, a profession putting down a profession, unaware that they are against none but themselves. Woman abusing the woman flock, lives, swindling the other lives, killing each other of the same blood. The ignorant vindicate the other ignorance. The mad ridicule the lunatics, unaware that they are against none but themselves. The patriotic criticize the nationalists. The lazy look down upon the slothful. Bad incidents masqueraded with worse intensity. Souls bargaining to sell other souls. The subordinate call the others subservient, unaware that they are against but themselves. Righteous, whoever speaks becomes mighty, whoever imperious becomes. Imbeciles branding each other as barbaric. The Lords become themselves as uncouth. Born as a human, yet faith forgotten for the human, unaware that they are addressing paternal to self but themselves. Thank you. Thank you.